You mad now, Joe. Take that hot sauce. You mad now. Take it.
Fuck out my damn lip. You can, so I don't forget.
Talking too. Talking.
How is it, Joe? It's hot?
Yeah. That's a little bit worse than the last time.
Yeah, I bet it was. Dude, you were the baddest dude I know for that hot sauce, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You are insane. What you pacing for, Joe? It'd probably be better on your guts if you did throw up and get that stuff out of you.
Yeah, sir. I'm doing. They already picked up the truck, dude.
Hey, Daddies, come open that man another one of them drinks, bro.
Do you have another truck coming this week, or is this the last one? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, so let the plant know. Pick up power for it.
You are insane. Go get your money, bro. Go get your money. You earned it.
Just open his mouth. He talking that way. Nose runner.
A little bit.
Shoot, his mouth probably bleeding right now.
You gonna bleed your bootleg on the back.
You just feel it on your tongue, or you feel it in your throat too?
It don't burn, it hurts.
I know.
Man, that dude red.
Come on, Joe.
Yeah, Joe, get your money.
You ain't getting no fucking lunch from me, dude.
He's fanning the fire.
Cool you off, boss. Give an icicle or some popsicle.
No. You got your money, huh?
Yeah, he got the money. I wouldn't do him like that.
I mean that.
He a badder dude than I am, because I wouldn't have never done that.
I know I wouldn't either, but it's a $100 I probably would.
Yeah, maybe for $100.
That little bit you had the other day.
A big head, yeah, I probably do it.
I'm going to let you go.